my name is Stephanie and I am the owner of Salon Skateboards. I live in London and I'm from the south of England, a place called Plymouth. I have literally just started my fitness channel called Fit by Stephanie today. And I was like, oh, I always want to do YouTube. I always film these like sideways videos with the view of doing YouTube, but I never do it. But recently loads of exciting stuff happened to me. I opened my studio to do my like art and my brand and stuff like that. And there's like sewing machines there to make clothes. We're going to be making our own clothes. That's my brand Salon. And then I have been doing the gym and like fitness journey for exactly a year, and I was like, okay, I feel like this is a cool time to start YouTube. There's a lot going on for me, and I am going to, for this one, just take you through like a vlog of what I do in my day. So hope you like it. Here it goes. So we decided to start the day out with going for a walk. We already had breakfast, but I didn't put that in. So we met up with Felix's dad at the park to look for some animals, and we like looked under all the logs and stuff. That's me there, and he always does this with him, and I never come, so I decided to go with him this time. And I think that's like a grub thing. But yeah. So basically, we went to the park, and then wow, actually saw something really cool in the So we've just come to the studio and we're going to pack some more parcels. We just went to the shop to drop some parcels off, but there was no parking spaces outside. So do a bit of work. Felix is going to do some painting, and then we will send some more things from Salon. Today has been very slow. It's not usually like this, and so yeah, we'll just get as much done as we can, and then we'll go home and have some dinner. So we're just going to turn the radiator on because it is freezing in here. It's obviously like very messy right now. I need to do some cleaning up. Right, heat is on. So we're gonna pack some teas. Felix is gonna do some painting or some drawing, watch some TV. And then, yeah, I need to clean up. We're gonna get these serviced this week. Got a pink ceiling, and yeah, obviously still kind of a long way to go, but getting there. Need to replace the floor. It's me. I can't believe it's like 3 o'clock now, so I don't know what we're gonna get done, but at least we made it here and we're gonna try. So yeah, I may as well just show you some cool stuff that's here as well. This is like the pink VX that I made a few years ago. I got so much hate for this at the time, and now I think it's kind of like popular to do that, so that's really cool. Yeah, it's really cool. It's got these little like Sanrio stickers all over it. And then this camera is actually full of pictures of Jake Snelling doing like a hand plant outside this pub called the Marquis that's close to here, but I have never developed it yet. I'll get it developed one day. That will be super fun. And then yeah, so here's one of the t-shirts that I'm packing today. And then we haven't got loads of stuff here at the moment, but I'm gonna flip the camera around and can show you some of our like packaging and stickers and stuff. So this is the packaging we're currently using. It's holographic. It's 100% recyclable, and it's so nice. Like, it's so nice to get like your skateboard delivered in that, so that's really cute. Like, a lot of things are kind of like a shambles at the moment. Like, as you can see, I've got this like wig from that like video that I did not long ago, and then these drawers are just like full of stickers and posters. There's a Cardi B, and this is from when we did the Salon Sis like you could text the number and then you could ask like skate related questions if you have questions, like what to buy, what shoes to buy and stuff like that. So it was a cool idea. And then these like Salon kind of like monster looking stickers, but I actually made it into an S, which I thought was like so funny. And they actually saw this and they weren't mad. They sent me like loads of drinks, so that was like really cool as well. All my paints, and then there's nothing in there. Oh, and then like when we're up and running, this is like all the threads that we've got, because it kind of like somebody had moved out of here and they left a bunch of stuff. So a lot of this stuff we got came with the place, so that was really cool. There's a little painting here that Felix did. And then this is like going to be the background of a painting that I am doing right now that's going to be a board graphic, so that's super exciting. But for now, that I obviously have to clean up in here, I need to do some cleaning. So I'm going to pack the t-shirts and do some cleaning, and then we're going to get out of here. Basically, like all the boards I ordered recently, like this is literally the only boards we've got left. This is Rose's Pro Deck. There is one left in the world. They sold out so quickly. And then this graphic is sold out. It hasn't sold out, obviously. It's like just sold much slower, but it was weird because like out of the, I think it was like 4 or 5 graphics that I did, this was like hands down my favorite graphic. Like, so yeah, you never know. Always happens like that, eh? This is like, this grip tape was so popular. Like it was wild how popular this was. And then it's the only piece that we've got left. So I'm going to give it to our team rider, which is Yu Rosemary, and take him one of his boards. And yeah, so that's going to him. And then I'm going to do another order like today or tomorrow for in time for Christmas. So you can look forward to that. But yeah. So I spent a little bit more time here packing the t-shirts. I Felix did some drawing, and then we just wrapped things up and went to the skate shop. So then we came to Ritz and Battis. We had to drop some things off, but also we just went to hang out there because they're our friends. So we just went to say hi on our way home. That's Daphne.
It's measuring tape.
Hi, Daphne.
Look, hi. What's this? Mom!
Ah. So here's some boards that they do, and also here's our boards are here, and then there's also some of our boards over here on the wall, which is super cool. That's 3 graphics that we've done. And then I'm sorry, but it cuts straight to me buying a candle from the supermarket. We decided to go to Asda on the way home, so we obviously left the skate shop, and here I am trying to select a candle. And I think that I ended up going for the Spice Berries one. I'm literally obsessed with like lighting a candle and then doing my cleaning in the evening. I also bought this blender. It's got these 2 like cups that come with it. Actually turned out being really good. And then this is just us like in the supermarket buying some cheesy snacks, and we just tend to buy like loads of cheesy snacks because they're quite healthy snacks. Little treat for the way home. And then yeah, just some of like our regular purchases that we do. I just included this really because like it was like a little bit interesting, I think. Just me buying some Greek yogurt there, and some like very boring things like butter, and then I bought some juice to make some smoothies with, and some dark chocolate because I follow a bunch of fitness bloggers. I'm really into my fitness, and they all say to have dark chocolate as like a dessert, so I did. Yeah, so that was like our big shop. Yeah, we spent £100 at the supermarket, and so that was like a couple of meals for the week. And yeah, there we go. We're off to the car now. And yeah, I've run out of things to say, so I'm gonna stop this now, and then I'm gonna carry on the next bit. Oh yeah, remember to buy some flowers. Yeah, I got that little iced coffee for my journey home. I always get a treat for the car, and so yeah, it was delicious actually. And I think Felix may have had a donut, but I can't remember. So my fridge is looking a little bit bleak here, but pretty much every single time I do a shop, I'll just clean out the whole fridge, like, you know, obviously like disinfect everything and then like restock it. So this is what I'm doing right now, and I've just got like some cans of Coca-Cola, some blueberries, some vegan cheese, and I'm not vegan, I just really like that cheese, it's so nice.
some Monster, which they actually gifted me, so I'm supposed to say that. And then, yeah, so yeah, obviously looking pretty bleak in there, but we're about to put all the new snacks and stuff in, so that's great. We have this like absolutely full of cheesy snacks because that's like a healthy snack that we can have, and so that's full up now, and Felix really likes that too, he's 3. I got these like protein bars. They're pretty good. I have them for when I go skating and stuff, and like if friends get hungry I can like share them out, and it's just really good to have in your bag. Protein is really important to me because I've been working out for like a year and I don't want to lose my gains, so yeah, that's for that. So I just steamed some rice because I'm doing some meal prep, doing lunch for the next 3 days. So it's going to be rice and then chicken with this like Nigerian red stew, and then broccoli and also sweet corn on the cob. I bought these plastic containers from Asda. I wanted to get glass ones, but I just got the best quality looking plastic ones that I could get because they didn't have any glass ones, but I think these will be fine for a little while. So here is my chicken. It's finished. And I've obviously eaten it by now, but like when I cooked it at the time, it looked really good. It was tasty. And then here is like my meal prep. I follow a lot of fitness bloggers that say that it's a really good idea to do meal prep because it means that you get like the right balanced amount of nutrients, and it's like easy, healthy, and you can just grab it and it saves you time and it saves you a lot of dishes. And as a mum, that is a great thing for me because I spend a lot of my time cleaning up dishes, which sucks. So yeah, that's great. So I used the new blender and I made some kale and mango and orange juice smoothie. So yeah, I got the nicest orange juice I could find, but yeah, you could use like any orange juice I guess, but yeah, nice healthy juice for breakfast. So I finished my dinner and my cleaning, and so now I'm just gonna have some vitamins and then I'm gonna do a bit of work and go to bed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. I did actually just go straight to bed, so this is the end of my video, but I would so much appreciate any feedback that you have for me because this is very new to me. Thank you. Bye.